10 years ago, I was diagnosed with breast cancer and had a mastectomy and an implant. And I had a lot of complications, but after 4 surgeries, I was like, okay, I'm done. But as time went by, I had more and more complications, and I kept putting things off. So my biggest fear coming into all of this was there any solution to my problem?
The factors that I felt most important in selecting a surgeon is their reputation, but I really focused a lot on referrals. I wanted people to tell me their firsthand experiences, but I also did an awful lot of networking, and we have a phenomenal medical community here, and I had the opportunity to talk to quite a few of those fantastic people, and every single doctor I spoke to said Dr. Vega's the best guy to do what you want to do. So in my book, doctor's doctor, that's the way to go.
I guess he just talked to me like a person, one-on-one in the room, and he looked me in the eye and he explained everything, and he explained it in a way I would understand because I don't understand medical terms, so it was more personalized.
When I first went to have my assessment, I was in the office with Christina, the nurse practitioner, and he came in the room and he gave me an exam, and he so confidently looked at me and said, you are such a great candidate for this, you're going to have good results. And he took away all my fears. Right then and there, I was amazed, like, wow, he can help me.
He was very wonderful in literally outlining every single step of the procedure, what was going to happen, what was the recovery time, how he was going to feel, and was 100% on for the expectations for the procedure. So it was literally everything he rolled out was exactly how it went.
My experience at Dr. Vega and his whole staff were very welcoming, very informative. I really felt that I was treated with the attention that I wanted to. I never felt hurried, and my treatment plan was catered to me. One of the best things that I like about Dr. Vega's treatment plan is he has all his patients stay in the intensive care unit. And that really made a difference in the recovery because it's a really big surgery, and to get that level of attention was really something that I don't think other doctors do. I know other doctors don't do that, and that really helped the whole surgical experience go a lot smoother.
Dr. Vega has not lost his humanity, where I feel some doctors have. They make you feel just like a number. He does not. He really truly cares about your health and your well-being, and in the office setting that he has, you just get to know everybody there, and you just feel very comfortable. You see the same people every time, and they're all good, caring people, and he's excellent at his job, and I would trust him 100%. I would never go to anybody else.
I had a particular situation happen where I was developing necrosis of the native tissue on my breast, and they called Dr. Vega in. It was early Saturday morning. He came right in, and he attempted to do a procedure that was not typical, and the staff was very interested. He took the time to teach them, and the bottom line is it saved all that breast tissue and avoided a very difficult situation. So he really thinks outside the box. To be able to recreate what you look like is really, I just can't even imagine how he sees it, and you're deconstructed and reconstructed back to the way you were. Obviously, it was just really a fantastic experience, and I think he's just very skilled at what he does.
Physically, I am so pleased with the work that Dr. Vega did. I feel better. I don't have any discomfort. It feels natural. I feel like a woman again. But I think the bigger impact has been emotionally. I just feel so much more confident and kind of like the old me.